Number 10. Rolls-Royce Ghost. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost embodies automotive luxury at its finest, representing the brand's commitment to unmatched exclusivity and performance. At its heart is a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine producing 563 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque, enabling effortless acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.6 seconds, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive system. Inside, the cabin is a handcrafted masterpiece with the finest leather, exotic woods, and bespoke materials adorning the interior, while the dashboard features a 12.3-inch display seamlessly integrated with Rolls-Royce's custom 18-speaker audio system. Starting at approximately $400,000, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost is the ultimate statement. Number 9. Mercedes-Benz S-Class. The Mercedes S-Class continues to set the benchmark for luxury and technological excellence, delivering an unmatched driving experience that blends power, comfort, and innovation. The base S500 4MATIC is powered by a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 paired with a mild hybrid system, producing a combined 429 horsepower and 384 pound-feet of torque. A 9-speed automatic transmission and 4MATIC all-wheel drive ensure optimal stability and grip. Inside, the cabin is a haven of refinement, featuring fine leather upholstery, genuine wood trim, and high-quality soft-touch materials. The 12.8-inch OLED infotainment display works seamlessly with the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, both powered by the advanced MBUX system with natural voice control. Rear passengers enjoy ample legroom, heated and ventilated seats, and an optional executive package with reclining and massaging functions. Starting around $115,000, the 2025 S-Class redefines comfort, sophistication, and cutting-edge luxury in the sedan segment. Number 8. Bentley Flying Spur W12. The Bentley Flying Spur W12 stands at the pinnacle of luxury sedans, seamlessly blending remarkable performance with Bentley's signature craftsmanship. At its core lies a 6.0-liter twin-turbo W12 engine producing 626 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque, propelling this elegant grand tourer from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. Power is managed by an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and Bentley's all-wheel drive system for optimal traction in all conditions. Inside, the cabin is a sanctuary of refinement, featuring handcrafted leather, open-pore wood veneers, and a wide range of personalization options. A 12.3-inch touchscreen integrates with a premium Naim audio system for crystal-clear sound. Rear passengers enjoy executive comfort with heated, ventilated, and massaging seats. On the outside, the Flying Spur exudes elegance through its bold grille, distinctive LED lighting, and 21-inch wheels. Starting around $250,000, it delivers an unmatched blend of luxury, performance, and bespoke craftsmanship. Number 7. Genesis G90. This is a masterpiece of modern luxury, blending advanced technology with meticulous craftsmanship to rival Europe's finest sedans. It's powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, producing 375 horsepower in the base model, while the top version adds an electric supercharger and 48-volt mild hybrid system for a total of 409 horsepower. Power is delivered through an 8-speed automatic transmission with all-wheel drive available for greater traction and stability. Ride comfort is exceptional thanks to a multi-chamber air suspension that adapts automatically to road conditions. Inside, the cabin features premium Napa leather, genuine wood trim, and high-quality finishes throughout. Dual 12.3-inch displays integrate seamlessly for a clean, high-tech look, while rear passengers enjoy reclining seats with ventilation, massage, and personal controls. Starting around $89,000, the G90 delivers elegance and refinement often found in cars twice its price. Number 6. BMW i7 M70. As BMW's electric flagship sedan, the 2025 i7 M70 combines outstanding performance with the luxury and advanced technology expected from the 7 Series. Powered by a dual-motor, all-wheel drive system, it delivers an impressive 650 horsepower and 748 pound-feet of torque, launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. The adaptive M suspension ensures both comfort and precision handling, while the sleek exterior design features BMW's signature kidney grille, wide stance, and sculpted profile. Inside, the i7 embodies modern opulence with seating for 5, ambient lighting, premium merino leather, wood accents, and detailed stitching. A 14.9-inch curved touchscreen and 12.3-inch digital display dominate the cockpit, while rear passengers enjoy reclining seats, massage functions, and individual entertainment screens. Packed with advanced safety and driver assistance features including adaptive cruise control and semi-autonomous driving, the i7 M70 starts around $169,000, blending electric innovation, supreme comfort, and true BMW driving pleasure. Number 5. Audi A8 Horch. The 2025 A8 Horch represents the pinnacle of Audi's luxury sedan lineup, designed for the ultra-premium segment with a focus on exclusivity and prestige. Originally developed for the Chinese market, it is based on the long-wheelbase A8L, offering extra rear legroom and a range of exclusive features to compete with the Mercedes Maybach. Power comes from a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, producing 453 horsepower and 487 pound-feet of torque, paired with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive and an 8-speed Tiptronic transmission for smooth and effortless driving. The exterior features a distinctive grille, refined trim, and 20 to 21-inch wheels, while the interior combines luxurious materials with quilted Valcona leather seats, wood accents, ambient lighting, and a panoramic glass roof. Rear passengers enjoy executive seats with massage, ventilation, footrests, entertainment displays, and a central control tablet. Additional comforts include a refrigerator, fold-out tables, and a fragrance system. Advanced driver assistance systems, soft close doors, and Audi's virtual cockpit complete this ultra-luxury package, with a starting price around $120,000. Number 4. Aston Martin DBS. The 2025 Aston Martin DBS Superleggera is a striking grand tourer that blends the excitement of a supercar with the elegance of a luxury sedan. It is powered by a 5.2-liter twin-turbo V12 engine producing 715 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque, enabling the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds and reach a top speed of 211 miles per hour. The interior offers seating for 4 passengers and combines comfort with a sporty feel. The cabin includes a modern infotainment system with an 8-inch display, Bluetooth, navigation, and a premium audio system. On the outside, the car's aerodynamic shape, prominent grille, and subtle design accents convey both elegance and performance, while its wheels and exhausts hint at the power beneath the hood. Starting at around $340,000, the 2025 DBS Superleggera is a luxurious and thrilling vehicle, perfect for those seeking style and performance in one package. Number 3. Porsche Panamera. The 2025 Panamera GTS combines luxury and performance, offering a driver-focused option within the Panamera lineup. It is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, producing 473 horsepower and 457 pound-feet of torque, accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds with a top speed of 186 miles per hour. The adaptive air suspension lowers the car for improved cornering, while the all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction. Visually, the GTS features dark trim, GTS badging, and larger 20-inch wheels. Inside, the cabin blends sportiness and comfort with Racetex upholstery, aluminum accents, adaptive sports seats, and a 12.3-inch touchscreen with Porsche communication management. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and optional 4-zone climate control. Priced from around $140,000, the 2025 Panamera GTS is ideal for those seeking a luxury sedan with the heart and soul of a sports car. Number 2. The Maserati Trofeo. The 2025 Trofeo blends Italian luxury with high performance in the executive sedan segment. As the top model in Maserati's sedan lineup, it is powered by a handcrafted 3.8-liter twin-turbo V8 developed by Ferrari, producing 580 horsepower and 538 pound-feet of torque, accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds and reaching a top speed of over 203 miles per hour. Outside, it features a bold design with carbon accents and 21-inch forged wheels, while the interior showcases premium leather, carbon trim, and a driver-focused cabin with a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, digital instruments, and a 10-speaker audio system. Rear passengers enjoy generous space and ambient lighting. Starting around $155,000, the Trofeo delivers classic Italian elegance with thrilling performance in a segment dominated by German competitors. Number 1. Audi RS7 Sportback. The 2025 RS7 Sportback blends supercar performance with luxury in a sleek 5-door fastback design, powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, producing 621 horsepower and 627 Newton-meters of torque. Audi's mild hybrid system, adaptive air suspension, and dynamic chassis control deliver both efficiency and an agile, comfortable ride, while its wide stance, honeycomb grille, LED headlights, and 21-inch wheels emphasize its athletic presence. Inside, the RS7 combines technology and refinement with Valcona leather seats, aluminum and carbon trim, a digital virtual cockpit, dual touchscreen MMI, a premium bang and Olufsen audio system, 4-zone climate control, and advanced driver assistance features. Starting at around $135,000, the 2025 RS7 Sportback is ideal for enthusiasts seeking explosive performance without sacrificing luxury, comfort, or everyday practicality.